We're trying to get the Avata 2 that I have upside down in this big tall pine tree behind me rescued with my Air 2S. This is going to be our rescue vehicle with a hook. We're about to see what happens. Whoa, 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 whoa. That thing's swinging. It's swinging my boat. This is how you do a hand landing. Woo, it came down fast with all that weight on it. We drained 2 batteries looking for the thing, and we said we need to take a break before this Air 2S winds up in a treetop, because I'm frustrated trying to find this thing. And I look over and I hear boom, boom. And what do I find? Right over here, you find my drone just fell out of the tree. No wonder we couldn't find it in the top. I bet it's fine. Let's have a look. The battery's going to be completely dead, but we're about to go test the battery. I bet it's going to be fine. There's no damage anywhere that I can tell. Woo! That's a good sound. Having to use my old goggles and an old battery and the old way to connect it, because I lost my other controller. And looks like everything connected good. All right, I'd like to thank all my friends who helped me out with this. If you have some friends that can help you out with it, it always helps to have another set of eyes, another brain, another set of ears. I got a lot of good ideas from this. A lot of good help. I appreciate everybody's input. Thank goodness it turned out the way it did. But going back to why this happened, in my mind it happened because I was using a controller I was less familiar with, and I was doing more of an advanced flight than I should have been doing with that controller, probably. Even though I thought I could handle it at the time, looking back, it's better to be more comfortable than I really was on that controller when you're in a situation like that. Don't do what I did. Learn from me. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing, and I hope you got something out of this video. By the way, the hook in the video was copper, big thick copper wire with rubber wrapped around it. Shout out to Papa for providing that for us. The white dangling cord was a USB cable that I just didn't need, and I just wrapped it around there because it was heavier than like fishing line. And I was surprised at how well that rig worked. And I was also equally surprised that we couldn't find the drone. So it's a good thing that it did fall out of the tree, because who knows how long we would have been there. But thank you for watching, and I'll hope to see you in the next video. I'm going to leave you with some footage of the pre-crash flight. Hey, let me down. Let me down.